This video demonstrates how Enpass Admin Console Administrator can add Enpass as an enterprise application. Your company chose Enpass because it provides true data sovereignty. Your information stays entirely under your control. Enpass never stores your sensitive information on its servers. Instead, all Vault data remains securely within your organization's Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint environment. The simplest way to add Enpass as an enterprise application is by initiating an admin consent flow. For this, you have two options. First option is, if you are an Enpass Admin Console Administrator as well as a Microsoft Entra ID Administrator, you can do this directly from Focus Actions and Essential Steps in the Admin Console by clicking Add to Enterprise Apps. Clicking on this will launch the consent flow. Enpass is a locally installed application that requires access to the Microsoft Graph API for core functionality. It requests the following delegated Microsoft Graph API permissions. Please note that all these permissions are delegated, meaning Enpass can only act within the scope of the signed-in user's privileges. Additionally, the user's access token stays encrypted inside the local Enpass vault. It is never sent to or stored on Enpass servers, eliminating any risk even in the unlikely event of a server breach. You may now choose to grant consent on behalf of the entire organization. After granting consent, you will be redirected to the Authorization Finished page, which can be closed. Enpass has now been successfully added as an enterprise application in Microsoft Entra ID. If you do not have Microsoft Entra ID administrator privileges, your alternative option is to request consent from your Entra ID administrator. To do this, go to Learn About Permissions Enpass Uses, select Show Message, and then click Copy Text. You can share this message via email with your Microsoft Entra ID administrator to request the required consent. Once Enpass is added as an enterprise application, you can check the status using Check Status. Enpass has now been successfully added as an enterprise application. Now users can set up Enpass in the organization. Thanks for watching.